everybody. Ayan, this is Ownerless po, ang owner ng Loco Farm. And in behalf of Loco Farm, in behalf of your dad, and syempre, nagmula sa akin, gusto kong batiin po si Pinaasa It's Not Goodbye ng isang maligayang kaarawan. Happy birthday to you, Pinaasa. Sana ay enjoy ka ngayon sa iyong kaarawan at sana nararamdaman mo yung pagmamahal ng mga nakapaligid sa'yo, lalong-lalo na yung family mo, yung relatives mo, yung friends mo, syempre yung loved one mo kung mayroon man. And sana hindi ka na laging papaasahin ha, para mapalitan na yung pangalan mong Pinaasa at hindi na goodbye. Okay, thank you so much sa pag-stay sa Loco Farm, Pinaasa. Maraming salamat sa pagmamahal din sa Loco Farm, and more birthdays to come once again. Nagmula sa aming lahat, a pleasant araw at kaarawan para sa'yo. It's not goodbye. Nabulol ako.
Happy birthday, Pinaasa. More birthdays to come, more blessings to come with a good health and wealth. I send you all my love and best wishes. May your birthday be a beautiful reminder the cherished friendship we have. God bless.
Once of all, happy birthday to my friend Pinaasa. And di ko alam kung ilang taon ka na, basta happy birthday to you, my friend. I wish you have a lifetime and full of smiles, happiness, and love. Kahit wala kang jowa, okay lang yan. I pray to God to grant you long life, a good health, and more blessings and more birthdays to come. It's your special day. I'm so blessed and grateful for having you as my friend. Through good times and bad times, I'm so blessed to have a friend like you. I hope your special day will bring you a lot of happiness. Once again, happy birthday, Pinaasa. And mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. Ayan, dito lang kami ng kapatiran mo. And thank you.
Kapatid Pinaasa, happy birthday. Sana marami pang birthday dumating sa'yo, and sana mahanap mo na yung babae para sa'yo. And yun lang, stay mabait, marespeto sa babae. Ano pa ba? Sana hindi ka na pinapaasa ng mga babae. Ayan. God bless, kapatid. Ayan, happy birthday.
To Pinaasa, kapatid, ayan, happy birthday, ayan, more birthdays to come, and naway huwag makakalimot lagi sa itaas, ayan, naway magkaroon ka na rin ng jowa, ayan, wish ko is good health, and lagi ka mag-iingat, yun lang, thank you.
Happy birthday nga pala, Pinaasa. And more birthdays to come. Sana di ka na paasahin at sana di ka na umaasa para di ka na pinapaasa. And ulit, happy birthday and God bless.
Hi po sa'yo, Patid Pinaasa. Happy birthday. May Almighty God bless you always. And many more birthday to come. And stay happy always. Once again, happy birthday to you.
Check, ready na kaya? Apply na ba? Okay, ayun, Edwin, wow. Andito nga pala ako para batiin ng aking mga tropa dyan ng happy birthday para kay Pinaasa. Sana magandang paasahin pa ng minamahal mo. Mahirap talaga umasa pag pinaasa ka, no? Par, happy birthday, par. Nga pala, Edwin, wow. At nga pala, meron pa isa eh. Sino pa yun? Basta medyo ano siya eh. Medyo ganito siya oh. Yun. Shoutout nga pala kay Aubrey. Happy birthday, Aubrey. Huwag ka na magalit pag inaasar kita ha. Sorry na agad. Yan, hanggang dito nga lang, Edwin, wow, once again. Hey, peace. I'm out. Happy birthday. Palakpakan muna pala tayo. Palakpakan ng may kaarawan. Yeah, bye.
Binabati lang kita ng happy birthday, Kuya Pinaasa. Sana maraming birthday pang dumating sa'yo. More blessing, more candle to blow. and always good health. Ayan, enjoy your special day.
Morning, good afternoon, good evening sa inyong dalawa nagbe-birthday. Ayan, happy birthday pala kay Aubrey at syempre kay Pinaasa. Ayan, shoutout sa inyo. Syempre, shoutout sa inyong lahat dyan. Ayan, syempre, binabati ko kayo ng dalawa na happy birthday. At syempre, stay strong lagi. At marami pang birthday na darating sa inyo. Ayan, enjoy lang ang buhay. Kahit walang boyfriend or may boyfriend, enjoy lang. At syempre, happy birthday and God bless and always love you so much.